Artificial intelligence is changing rapidly. Each year brings new, exciting developments. In 2024, we see some big trends emerging. These trends are shaping how we use AI in our lives. One key trend is that AI is becoming more practical. We now have a better understanding of what AI can and cannot do. This helps us use AI for real-world problems and find solutions that work. Another trend is the rise of multimodal AI. This means AI can now understand and work with different types of information like text, images, and even videos. Imagine showing a picture to your phone and having it tell you all about it. That's multimodal AI. These are just a couple of the exciting things happening in the world of AI. Let's dive deeper into these trends and see how they are changing our world. Remember when everyone thought AI would solve all our problems overnight? Well, it turns out AI is a powerful tool, but it's not magic. The good news is that we are getting more realistic about what AI can do. Businesses are realizing that AI is most effective when it's used to improve existing processes, not replace them entirely. Instead of trying to build entirely new systems around AI, companies are finding clever ways to integrate AI into their existing tools and workflows. Think about features like Smart Compose in your Gmail inbox or the Generative Fill tool in Adobe Photoshop. These are great examples of how AI can be used to make our existing tools smarter and more efficient. By focusing on practical applications, we can unlock the true potential of AI to make our lives easier and more productive. For a long time, AI was primarily text-based. You could type in a question, and AI could provide a written answer. But the world is not just made of text, is it? We see images, watch videos, and experience the world through our senses. Now, AI is catching up. Multimodal AI can process information from multiple sources like text, images, and videos. This means AI can understand the world in a much richer and more nuanced way. Imagine you're cooking a new recipe and you're not sure what a particular cooking term means. With multimodal AI, you could simply point your phone's camera at the ingredient, and the AI could provide a visual explanation. This ability to understand and integrate different types of information is a game changer. It opens up a world of possibilities for more intuitive and helpful AI applications in the future. Section 4. Smaller but mighty efficient AI solutions. Building and training large AI models used to be incredibly expensive and resource-intensive. It was like trying to power a whole city with a single power plant. But things are changing. Researchers and developers are finding that smaller, more specialized AI models can be just as effective as their larger counterparts, while being much more efficient. It's like finding ways to power that same city with smaller, more distributed energy sources. This shift towards smaller AI models is great news for everyone. It makes AI more accessible to businesses and developers of all sizes. It also reduces the environmental impact of AI as these models require less energy to run. And thanks to the open source community, developers are sharing their AI models and tools freely, making it easier than ever to build and deploy innovative AI solutions. Section 5. Virtual agents, your smarter digital assistants. Remember those basic chatbots that could barely understand your questions? We've come a long way. Virtual agents are getting smarter and more capable, thanks to the advancements in AI, especially in natural language processing. Today's virtual agents can understand your requests in a more human-like way, even if you don't phrase them perfectly. They can handle more complex tasks like scheduling appointments, booking reservations, and even guiding you through complex processes, all while using natural language. And with the power of multimodal AI, virtual agents can interact with you using a combination of text, voice, and even visual aids, making the experience more intuitive and engaging. Showing you step-by-step instructions with images and videos, all while answering your questions in real time. That's the power of today's virtual agents. Section 6. The ethics of AI, navigating responsible innovation. As AI becomes more powerful and integrated into our lives, it's important to think about the ethical implications. Just because we can do something with AI doesn't always mean we should. One key concern is the potential for AI to be used in discriminatory or unfair ways. For example, if an AI system is trained on biased data, It might perpetuate or even amplify those biases in its decisions. Another concern is the issue of job displacement. As AI becomes capable of automating more tasks, it's important to think about how we can retrain workers and create new opportunities in the age of AI.